guys, we are on our way to fucking Danny Boy's. We're gonna go help him fucking tear down his motor. Get this shit all fucking squared away. Finally got that 5.3 for his old turd bird, so, you know, gotta help him tear that shit down, you know. He can get his cams in, valve springs, get it all ready for the swap. We here. That's how you know we're here, because Dan was next to a cop. Looking freshy. Look at this eco. Is he in there? I forgot to turn my lights off anyway. I'm in here. 15-minute parking only. Bro's ready. He's ready.
They doubled Devontae Adams, which is coverage against McCourty. Exactly like the ball slightly underthrown. They did have a chance, and the ball was just underthrown there. There's the double on Adams inside. 5-3-11. Stealing, big guy, 6'4", to emerge. I hope they don't do something on the same play. There's not big backers. They went out for help. As far as Aaron Rodgers was concerned at the wide receiver position, got 3 of them this season, and they have all been backers.
Where you at, Dan? I'm gonna just start tearing it down now. What up? Already starting to tear it down? What is you? Just over here fucking starting to tear down. What you doing?
Hey, Jeff.
What up?
Guess what?
You got him working?
Guess what it was?
What?
I had to bring it to the dealership.
What'd they say?
Fuse box.
What? The whole fuse box?
No, I'm just kidding, bro. The fucking bulbs were burnt out.
Bro, the blinkers weren't working last night, so we thought we were gonna end up having to take them fuckers to the dealership.
And what?
His girl's car.
Oh.
The Cruise.
So you took that fucker to the dealership? Oh.
You probably just tried new bulbs first.
Jeff's over here about to fuck shit up.
Brothel.
Fucking getting her tore down. Parts bucket's filling up. Look who's late to the party. At least he comes in and straight cracks right down on it. She's just.
I forgot you had all that on camera right there. Fuck. Yeah, there you go. Fuckers just knocking shit out. Look at you. Look at y'all two YouTube mechanics.
Getting her prepped so we can clean her down. Fucking jam her in there.
Don't let them modify your car at all. Don't let them touch it.
Just put an intake and exhaust and blow off valve and you'll be
It'll
set.
be broken. Don't listen to anything you say.
You touched the taillights and broke them fuckers.
So you can't even put taillights in it. It's like a video of the like small engine with like a
YouTube. You know, you get sucked into them YouTubes, you know?
Them YouTubes.
Going through them.
Just going.
I threw my vacuum out. My shop vac took a shit, so my wife's gonna be pissed. I'm about to bring my house vac out here and vacuum this.
Bro, you got a fucking house vac hooked up right there. Plug in the thing.
I'm not fucking plugging in that.
Plug in your vacuum and we'll suck her in, bro. The thing is lit, dude. That would be great. How's it go, bro? There you go. Alright, bro. We'll fucking see you later. roll them windows down, can't see nothing. Tools back in their spots. Just slide that in there. Alright guys, well, it's gonna be it for that video. Thanks for fucking watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.